What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an amazing Monday. Today's Monday. Yes, an amazing Monday. Today I have another cooking video. I am going to make an easy recipe. And I was looking through some of my old stories and I found these noodles that I did one time. I don't know if you guys can see it. Those noodles. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook those just because I've been craving them after I saw the picture, and then I went ahead and asked you guys if you guys wanted me to record it, and you guys said yes. And FYI, heads up, most of these videos I'm going to be looking like this, like Chuti AF, because I can either get ready while Sebastian's sleeping or I can cook and record. So let's just not worry about getting ready. I'm just gonna go ahead and get straight into the video and show you guys how I make these noodles. So let me show you guys what you guys will need in order to make this, and trust me, it is super good and super easy to make, and I'm sure you guys will love it. Let me get the stuff. So here basically I have everything you guys will need, like the main things. You guys will need to grab some of the ramen noodles, and my favorite is shrimp. You can obviously do it with any of them, but I like using shrimp, and I like getting the little packages. And I'm telling you guys, this recipe is so freaking easy to make, but it's so good. So I grabbed the noodles, some shrimp that's already peeled, and then I like to get these are the mini wontons, and these are pork and vegetable ones, so I like to just throw some in there, and they come out super good. I hope I grab the right ones, but I haven't made this in a while. But yeah, it should just say mini wontons, and then you're gonna grab some peas and carrots. You can obviously grab any vegetables that you want to throw in there, but I like using this. And yeah, these will be your main ingredients. So now that we have that, I'm gonna put some water to boil. Can I help you, Sebastian? Say hi. You look like you had long hair. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna grab is your noodles, and then obviously you can do as many as you want. Like, we're doing this for a lot of people, then I suggest maybe doing like 4 of these or so. I'm probably gonna do only 2 because it's only for me and George, and I already had made some other food as well, just because this can be filling to some people, but not to others. So you didn't even open this. What the heck? I'm gonna go ahead and open these, and just because these are the only hard things, like they take a little longer to make, I'm gonna go ahead and throw these in first. And I do like putting the flavor in there as well, so make sure you save those. So obviously this is pretty basic. Everyone should know how to make a ramen noodles. So just let them go in there and let them get soft before we throw anything else in there. So while the noodles are cooking up, I'm gonna go ahead and put their seasoning for now. This is the only seasoning I'm gonna use at the moment before I add anything else. There we go. That's how you go ahead and make ramen noodles. I'm just kidding. Let me go ahead and add the rest. Basically, this is super easy. It's making the ramen noodles and just adding everything else. So I'll show you guys how I do that. I think it's very dark, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try to grab it. But basically I'm gonna add probably half this bag. Okay, so I went ahead and added half of the bag. Obviously you can put as much as you want in there, but I added half. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the mini wontons in there. Let me see. Can't do it with one hand. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and add the vegetables. Like that. So we're just gonna let that cook. I should have gotten a spoon. I don't know why I'm stirring it with this. I really need to bring my ring light from the other house. That way you guys can see better what I'm doing. Okay, so in the other video I had shown you guys, let me grab it. I had shown you guys this and I told you guys that I used it, but it was a different one. So basically in all my cooking videos you guys are going to see me use this. So it's sazon goya con azafran. I use this for everything, for chicken, for fish, for pastas, for anything. I use this, and trust me, if you guys try it, you guys are gonna love it. I'm going to add one of these packets. And then this also gives it some color as well. Let me show you guys. And Sebastian is over here making a mess. Yeah, oh, you're throwing stuff, huh? So basically that's all the seasoning that I'm going to add, and I'm just going to be adding salt and something else. But look how bomb it's starting to look already. Okay, and all I'm going to do is add some salt and the key. I like it spicy. Obviously you guys don't have to add this. You can add it later on in your plate as well, but I want to put it in here so it tastes spicy. And here I go with my spatula thing again. Just gotta stir it. While all that cooks up, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys one last time everything that I used, just in case. So mini wontons, you can grab, I think there's different kinds. I grabbed the pork and vegetable ones. I like the mini because it fits perfectly in there. Shrimp, however much shrimp you want to put in there. You're going to need vegetables. You can do the canned ones or you can use this one. And then this is my go-to seasoning for everything, and you guys will see this in all my cooking videos. And obviously you guys will need some noodles, and you guys can choose different flavors, but this is the one I like. You'll obviously need salt and tapatio. And look at it, it's already steaming up. I'm gonna lower it a little bit so I can just finish cooking. But look at that. So bomb. So it's just like a fancier way of making your sopa maruchana. But yeah, everything's cooked. And yeah, and that is it. Tell me that was not the easiest thing to make. Alrighty, there you have it. There's the noodles with the wontons, the shrimp, and I'm gonna add some limon and some tapatio, and you're ready to go. This is just like a fancier way to make your top ramen. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys try this out. If you do, please tag me and let me know if you like this. Alrighty guys, I really hope you enjoyed my video. I am gonna go ahead and eat my noodles now, and if you decide to try it out, let me know and comment down below if you have tried something like this before. Okay, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!